Dogecoin holder, it's a very shocked news for all of you, but definitely, my friend, this is the reality. So I cannot, my friend, give you a fake news, a fake good news is my friend like that. So absolutely, a lot of holder ask me to please why you are so all videos, my friend, about dumps, about bad so absolutely, this is reality, my brother. I cannot give you a fake advice, so therefore please remember to ABSC channel, one of the unique YouTube channel, my friends. So they will guide you, they will update you, and absolutely if you follow this channel, so I hope, my brother, I will give you 100% guarantee, my brother, you never lost. The last 7 days chart is on the screen. This time you can see here the last 7 days chart, and I am so happy to the price change occur will be positive now, and plus 3.08% the price is increased now. And you know what's the reason? Absolutely, my friend, especially at the end of month they will moving upward. Otherwise, my friend, after end of month you can see here they again very badly fails down. So therefore remember, my suggestion only the reason as the end of month. Otherwise, my friend, the first week of this month, I know in July, my friends, they will fails down. So try to understand, my brother. If I predicate this coin, I hope, my brother, you will be better understand now. To really there is a chance, so they will move upward or now. So let's, my friend, predicate on this chart, my brother. So first of all, as you can see, my brother, I draw the first line, and the second you can see here, this is the second line. So the first line touch the highest point, the second touch the lowest point. My brother, after a fails they will take a jump. Every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation, everybody know that. But the current condition you can see here, this time very badly dumps down, and they cannot wake up, they cannot touch again the highest point. If they touch, my friend, this line, so absolutely, my friend, they will completely end the profit. But they cannot touch this line, so therefore they are in the loss now, and they were very badly face down from this jump. So I'm so, my friend, sad to see this, but absolutely this is reality. So please don't see, my friend, this short fail. I hope, my friend, after this short fails they will take a very good jump. So let's see what currently holder, please, we need, my brothers, to hold, and absolutely if you hold, so I hope they will moving up for now. Thanks for watching Dogecoin holder. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.